Grace Jones, the iconic queen of style and sound. Grace Jones, born on May 19, 1948, in Spanish Town, Jamaica, is one of the most enigmatic and influential figures in entertainment. An icon in fashion, music, and film, Jones has carved out a unique identity that defies categorization. Known for her striking androgynous looks, fearless stage presence, and boundary-pushing art, she rose to prominence in the 1970s and 1980s and has remained an enduring symbol of creativity, strength, and individuality. Jones's family moved to Syracuse, New York, when she was a child. She grew up in a strict religious household under the guardianship of her deeply conservative step-grandfather. This challenging environment would later fuel her rebellious nature and inspire her bold, defiant persona. After studying theater and modeling, Jones signed with Wilhelmina Models and moved to Paris in the early 1970s, where she joined the ranks of high-fashion models. With her tall, lean frame, dramatic features, and fierce attitude, Jones captivated the European fashion world, working with renowned designers like Yves Saint Laurent and Kenzo. Her unconventional look challenged traditional beauty standards and helped pave the way for greater diversity in the industry. While modeling established her as a fashion icon, it was music that allowed Jones to fully explore her artistry. She signed with Island Records and released her first album, Portfolio, in 1977, establishing her as a disco sensation. Songs like La Vie en Rose showcased her deep, commanding voice and her unique ability to reinterpret classics. However, it was her collaboration with producers Sly and Robbie on albums like Warm Leatherette, 1980, Nightclubbing, 1981, and Living My Life, 1982, that brought her critical acclaim and cemented her as a musical innovator. These albums fused reggae, rock, and new wave, with hits like Pull Up to the Bumper and I've Seen That Face Before Libertango, creating a sound that was both daring and influential. Jones's music and persona reflected her androgyny and fierceness, influencing genres as diverse as post-punk, electronic music, and even hip-hop. Her live performances were known for their theatricality, incorporating elaborate costumes, choreography, and a strong sense of storytelling. Jones's physicality and intensity on stage challenged stereotypes about gender and sexuality, presenting an unapologetically bold female image that broke away from conventional portrayals of femininity. Her foray into acting further demonstrated her versatility. She appeared in films such as Conan the Destroyer, 1984, and the James Bond movie A View to a Kill, 1985, where her formidable presence captivated audiences. Her roles often mirrored her real-life persona, powerful, mysterious, and slightly intimidating. This added another layer to her public image, showing that Jones could command both the stage and screen. Jones has continued to influence fashion, music, and art with her fearless creativity. Her influence can be seen in artists like Rihanna, Lady Gaga, and even David Bowie, who admired her boundary-breaking style. Beyond her artistry, Jones is known for living life on her terms, maintaining her independence and unique sense of self. Despite decades in the public eye, she has preserved an air of mystery and remains a fiercely private person. As a multi-talented artist who constantly reinvented herself, Grace Jones's net worth is estimated to be around $7 million. Her legacy is one of courage, originality, and resistance to societal norms. She remains an indomitable force, inspiring generations to embrace their true selves and pushing the boundaries of art, music, and fashion.